Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in a Technophone device. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you off your tap sound. As you can see guys, when you tap your button and guys any icon, so as you can see this sound, and guys you want to off this sound, means touch the sound guys when you touch on your screen, and guys when you touch your button, so as you can see this sound, and guys you want to off guys, you don't like guys, so as you can off. And guys now let's see how to off this touch sound in our Technophone. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys, you will have to guys on your phone setting to off this sound, then guys scroll it. As you can see guys your sound and vibration, so guys tap here, again scroll guys, you can see guys your touch sounds. So guys we will off from here this blue icon. After all guys you can see this touch sound will not work guys, then guys you can use guys your phone without any sound, this tap sound guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off touch sound in our Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.